Hey, welcome back to the channel. So we have a section of railing missing. We've used for the super saucer sliding video. If you want to check it out, I'll put a link up here. We come off the deck with our saucers and kind of like go down around down in here, but it's time to finally build the panel that goes right here, and this is a pretty easy one. This is just 48 inches across, and then we need to add some railing right here too for this handrail, and then I need to clean this all up. This is one of those projects that you think you'll get to right away, but we haven't got to it. It's been like 5 years. So follow along. I'll show you how to do the simple goat panel railing. Our Michigan code is that you can't be able to fit a 4-inch sphere through anything in your deck. So these are all about 3.5 inches. I've got a couple inches on each side that I'll let kind of be open. So this will be to code in Michigan. Make sure you check your own building codes when you're building decks and fences and doing any kind of construction. Make sure you check your local code. That's good. That's good. This is good. That right there is not good. I just got to put that top piece on, and I'll just build a little railing here with the slats. That's easier on steps in the hog panel, and then it'll be done in probably another hour or so.